Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to reinvest dividends on Trading 212. First, open the Trading 212 app and go to your portfolio. Select the investment where you want to turn on dividend reinvestment. Open the position. For example, I'll use the SPY right here. Scroll down until you see the dividends section. Tap on dividends, then turn on reinvest dividends. Now, your dividends will be automatically reinvested back into that investment. You can also do the same thing with ETFs or other dividend paying assets. Just open the investment, scroll down to dividends, and turn it on. If an asset doesn't pay dividends, the option won't appear. And that's it. Now you know how to automatically reinvest dividends on Trading 212. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.